Hello students, in this video class we are going to discuss about data modeling concept. So a data model is nothing but a simple graphical representation of real world data structures. So this is the major concept in DBMS which represents database, and their characteristics and relations. And this is the data modeling concept is very important, that it is the first step in designing a database. It helps in designing a database. And the data models can facilitate interaction among the designer, the application program and the end user. So this concept plays an important role in database management system, as it is going to show the statements in the form of graphical representation, and it is having the major components like database components are building blocks. Are entities, attributes, relationship, constraints. These are the major building blocks or major components of data modeling. While doing the graphical representation of the data, so we follow these major components. Entity is a person, place, object or an event. So generally we can take any real world person, place, object or an event as an entity, and it is shown here with the diagrammatic representation rectangle. When come to the attribute, every entity, these entities will maintain some properties, have some properties like characteristics. Properties or characteristics of an entity is called as attribute, and attribute can be shown with the symbol ellipse symbol. Relationship. A relationship describes association among entities. That association, that connection is called as relationship, and it especially tells how an entity can be associated with or can be connected with other entities. This will be shown with the symbol diamond symbol. And finally, constraint. So it is a kind of restriction placed on the values of field. Restriction placed on the values of field. Field is nothing but a property or attribute to accept only appropriate values. And this is a must to maintain data integrity by ensuring proper data entry or updating. So these are the components of data modeling. So data modeling is a simple graphical representation of real world data. Like this, we are going to represent the data in the form of graphical representation. Thank you.